As we all cope through the pandemic, we all have something in common. We are in this together. One BHS student has been recognizing all the frontline workers, first responders, town officials, police and fire departments through a special project.
I've started a project known as Bonded Forever. So in this campaign, I felt that our community structure had really fallen apart. Like everyone was physically distanced from one another, and socially everyone was together, but like everyone was apart. So I wanted to create something which everyone could wear every day, and everyone will know that, oh, we're all in this together. And so I created this wristband which says Bonded Forever on it, and I'm distributing it out to all of the town officials, police department, fire stations.
Anshul has delivered a number of these around town, which includes a wristband and thank you cards.
I have this thank you card and this letter. So in this letter, you'll get a thank you card and you'll get a wristband. This gives a brief message thanking them for what they do. And it also has a small little mental health aspect to it to address the root cause of feeling lonely in times of the pandemic.
A project this big couldn't be done alone. Anshul had a little help from the Peace First organization.
The Peace First organization is just used to help kids develop their ideas. It's all across the world. They provide small mini grants, and it's not something I just achieved in one day. It's not something I did in a week. It came over a few months. I spent a lot of time. We went back and forth. I actually received a mini grant to start up this project.
The Burlington Police Department thought the idea of keeping everyone together during this time of uncertainty was unique.
Anshul, he came up here and he told me about this project that he had going on, and I really thought this is a great time for something like this. Obviously, everyone knows what's going on around the country right now. You know, it's not been easy for anyone these past few months. People are under a lot of stress, and I think that everyone needs to remember that the only way we're going to get through all of these things that are going on in society right now and throughout this year is if we are working together.
As for the message on the bracelets, they give everyone a reassurance that we are not alone during this time.
Really like the message on the bracelet, this Bonded Forever message. When I saw that message, it really reminded me of that we are bonded forever. We can't exist without each other, and we can't do our job without the public, and the public can't have everything they want in terms of safety and security without the police. Police only being members of the public who are paid to give full-time attention to the duties of every citizen. And that's what really came through with this message to me.
Anshul will take the project a step further, as he will be sending these bracelets and thank you cards around the Commonwealth.
All of the Burlington Police Department workers will wear it. Same with the fire station, same with the town officials, and all the unnoticed frontline heroes will wear it. And then I'll expand it to Woburn, and then Lexington, and then other like neighboring towns. And then everyone will have this common message that, oh, okay, we're all in this together. That, oh, I see that blue thing, which everyone's also wearing. So just spreads the message that we're in it together.
As we work as one against the coronavirus, we need to take this time to thank the people who are sacrificing their lives every day to keep us safe and healthy.
Thank everyone for all their hard work, especially the unnoticed workers, because in this pandemic, a lot of the hospital staff is receiving a lot of recognition, and they're doing a great thing, of course. They're keeping the numbers low, and but really it comes down to the fire station, the police department. They're working extremely hard, that they're really the ones who are facing the people who have this COVID virus, and they're actually bringing them to the hospital. So that's the most difficult part before they're faced with the hospital staff.
We're part of the community. More than half the police department are people who live in Burlington, and we have to work together. There's just no getting around that, and we have to support each other. That's on us too, the police. We have to support people's concerns in the public, and if they bring up legitimate concerns, we have to address them and continuously work to improve and do a better job. And that's what we're going to do for as long as we exist. We are truly bonded forever with the community.
From the Burlington Police Department, I'm Robert Paris for BNEWS Weekly.